So today is about really showcasing some of the positive progress that's been made in catchment management. It's bringing together all of the stakeholders that are involved in catchment management. It's a big collaborative effort, and we really need to bring all those stakeholders together to engage in a joint, aligned way forward for catchment management.
Hopefully we can create some enthusiasm to build stronger partnerships so that in the next investment period, where we've got a lot more money allocated to this type of improvement, we can work together in a Team Wales way and then deliver for our customers.
Trying to realise what we've done is great so far, but it's only touching the surface of what we need to do, and the farming community is going through a system of change, a new environmental scheme just on the launch. It's not just about us. We need you to be part of a catchment scale approach.
This is something that we've all got a part to play in, we've all contributed to, and we've got to try and make sure that we can make the contribution as sustainable as possible and get somewhere where we start to improve the whole of Wales and meet the climate and biodiversity challenges that face us.
We need to build those trusted relationships. We need to have the right conversations with the right people, make sure that Welsh Water are playing their key part in being part of this One Wales approach to delivering improvements in the water environment. And those improvements will go beyond just water to deliver benefits for carbon, biodiversity, and hopefully social improvements as well as we go through the process.